Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Erika Wulandari and my student's ID number is 25302020800004. I'm a student of the Chemistry Education Study Program, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, University of Palangkaraya. Today I would like to present a literature review study entitled Integration of Green Chemistry in Chemistry Education. This presentation is based on a journal entitled Kajian Literatur Integrasi Konsep Green Chemistry dalam Pembelajaran Kimia, B. Erdiana Gultom and Avi Darmana, 2026. The study discusses the importance of integrating green chemistry principles into chemistry education to support environmental sustainability and improve the quality of learning. Without further ado, let us begin the presentation. Currently, the world is facing many environmental problems, including pollution, climate change, chemical waste, and declining environmental quality. These issues have become global concerns because they negatively affect ecosystem, human health, and natural resources. Chemistry is known as a central science because it is closely related to various scientific disciplines. Chemistry contributes to solving environmental problems through environmentally friendly innovation, waste reduction strategies, and sustainable technologies. Therefore, chemistry plays an important role in supporting sustainable development. Despite its importance, chemistry education still faces several challenges. Learning often focuses on memorization rather than practical application. Conventional laboratory activity may generate chemical waste, while sustainability values are not always integrated into the learning process. As a result, students' scientific literacy and environmental awareness remain relatively low. To address the challenge, green chemistry-based learning has been proposed an effective solution. This approach promotes sustainability-oriented education and encourages students to learning through active and contextual experience that connect chemistry concept with real environmental issue. The main objective of this study is to examine how green chemistry principles can be integrated into chemistry education and how they can support sustainable learning practices. More specifically, the study aims to analyze the integration of green chemistry in chemistry education, identify innovative learning models relative to sustainability, evaluate the contribution of chemistry education toward the sustainable development goals, and explore the role of digital technology and virtual laboratories in supporting environmentally friendly learning. The study used a narrative literature review approach. The research collects and reviewed information from various previous studies related to green chemistry and chemistry education. The data were obtained from 10 scientific journals published within the last 5 years. This was done to ensure that the information used in the study was current, relevant, and reliable. The research first collected data from 10 scientific journals. After conducting a literature review, the identify important drug thematic analysis. The findings were then synthesized to draw conclusions regarding the integration of green chemistry into chemistry education. The collected data were analyzed using narrative and thematic analysis method to identify educational trends, learning strategies, and important findings related to green chemistry education. The study identified several learning models that support the implementation of green chemistry. This include project-based learning, problem-based learning, the STEAM approach, ethno-science integration, and virtual laboratory learning. These models encourage active students' participation and meaningful learning experiences. Green chemistry education emphasizes sustainability, environmental responsibility, and problem-solving skills. Students are encouraged to apply chemistry concepts to solve real-life environmental problems. The main focus of green chemistry education is reducing waste, promoting safe chemical practices, and encouraging the efficient use of materials and energy during learning and laboratory activities. The review found that active learning approaches improve students' understanding and environmental awareness. Project-based learning encourages students to develop solutions to environmental issues. Problem-based learning strengthens critical thinking skills, and the STEAM approach combines scientific knowledge with creativity and innovation. Technology plays an important role in green chemistry education. Virtual laboratory reduces chemical waste and laboratory risks, while digital learning platform provide flexible and accessibility learning opportunities for students. The study showed that green chemistry principles are increasingly being integrated into chemistry curricula. This integration supports sustainability education and contribution to the achievement of the Sustainable Development Goals. Chemistry education is gradually shifting from traditional theory-centered learning towards sustainability-oriented application. Students are encouraged to apply their knowledge to solve environmental problems and make responsible decisions. Green chemistry education helps students think critically, develop environmental awareness, strengthen problem-solving abilities, and adopt ethical attitudes toward science and the environment. The successful implementation of green chemistry is supported by technological development, virtual laboratory, collaborative learning environments, and growing global awareness of sustainability in education. Several challenges remain in implementing green chemistry education. These include limited laboratory facilities, insufficient supporting resources, limited implementation in some educational institutions, and the need for teacher training and curriculum adaptation. Other challenges include limited financial resources and low sustainability literacy in some schools and universities. These factors may hinder the effective implementation of green chemistry education. Green chemistry education contributes to environmental sustainability by reducing waste, promoting responsible chemical use, and encouraging sustainable scientific innovation. Students who participate in green chemistry education are expected to become critical thinkers, effective problem solvers, environmentally responsible individuals, and agents of positive change in society. Green chemistry education encourages a culture of sustainability in learning and supports the modernization of chemistry education to meet current environmental challenges. In conclusion, the integration of green chemistry into chemistry education is essential for supporting sustainable development and improving the quality of chemistry learning. The study demonstrates that active learning approaches and virtual laboratories are effective in improving environmental awareness and sustainability. Therefore, sustainability values should become an integral part of chemistry education. Chemistry education should prepare future generations to address environmental challenges responsibly, ethically, and sustainably. Therefore, integrating green chemistry into chemistry education is an important step toward a more sustainable future. In conclusion, the study shows that integrating green chemistry into chemistry education plays an important role in developing students who are critical, innovative, and environmentally responsible. Through approaches such as project-based learning, STEIM, ethnoscience, and virtual laboratories, chemistry learning can support sustainable development and contribute to the achievement of the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. Environmental problems require sustainable solutions, and education has a key role in achieving these goals. Therefore, it is important to apply environmentally friendly principles not only in learning activities but also in daily life. Thank you for attention. I'm ready to answer any question. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, my name is Ulfa Nafsia and I would like to ask a question. What is the main idea of integrating green chemistry into chemistry education? Thank you.
Thank you for the question. I will answer the question. The main idea is to integrating sustainability principles into chemistry learning so that students understand chemical concepts while also developing environmental awareness and apply chemistry in ways that reduce water pollution and environmental impacts. In other words, It aims to make chemistry learning more environmentally responsible and relevant to real-world sustainability issues. Thank you.